Simple cafe sound, sponsored by your likes and straight to the point. Let's get your TV to play out of any speaker system that has RCA inputs. You will need this extra little device here, but it's really worth it because it beats buying a whole new TV or stereo equipment. We're going to start off by seeing just how quick this is to set up, but then we're going to go over it again to look at what we must verify to not end up wasting time and money. So first, let's see just how easy it is to actually install this. Just take an HDMI cable from your TV and plug it into this side of the converter. And on the other side, we'll connect your speaker system using an RCA to auxiliary cable. And that's basically it. You see, super simple, right? But now let's focus on verifying that we're really all good to go, because it's all a matter of each system having the right ports. So let's look at one at a time real quick. First, we're going to look at your TV, which should be simple. Then we're going to have a close look at what you must make sure that your converter has, because you want to make sure you get the right one, right? And then we'll end with your speaker system, which should already be all good to go. So then let's start with your TV. Certainly it will have HDMI ports, but you gotta have a close look to make sure that one of those is marked ARC, because that's what you're gonna have to plug into. The other HDMI ports won't do for this, so I really hope your TV has that. If not, you can explore more videos on my channel. Next is the device that's gonna make all of this possible. The reason you want this device is because it's gonna help your TV work with your stereo system. It will gladly take the audio from your TV via HDMI, and it will send it to your audio system via auxiliary to RCA. Here's a link to mine, but let me go over a couple of key pieces to look for when you're shopping for yours in case you find a different one. You gotta just verify these two things. One, that there's an HDMI port labeled in. And two, that on the other side of the device, there's an auxiliary jack or RCA ports labeled out. Having extra ports is no problem so long as you have a port for HDMI in and another one for auxiliary out. And the last system to check is your sound system, which we can be more certain of, because you can use any pair of RCA ports other than ones you might have labeled REC out. And if you're curious about what that does, well, you can check out this other video I made here. Here's a final look at everything just before we get into solutions for why you may not still be getting audio coming through your external speakers. Okay, first of all, I hate to state the obvious, but make sure that the volume is turned up on both your TV and speaker system. And if still nothing, we'll verify that your receiver is set to the channel or port that you connected into. If that's all set, but still no sound, you may need to go into your TV's audio settings to select external audio or ARC. But here's a video that goes into more of the benefits of ARC, and check out this playlist if you need help with other setups. Well, I hope you liked and subscribe to the channel to grow your knowledge along with me. See you then.